welcome to my YouTube channel SLL Classes. So, lot of the students are requesting me this topic. So today we are discussing about the Kirchhoff law. So Kirchhoff law basically used for the closed circuit. If we have a closed circuit and if we have any complicated problems, so we are resolving that. So in the Kirchhoff, there is a two law are there. The first law is Kirchhoff current law and second is a Kirchhoff voltage law. So first law is depend upon the law of conservation of charge. So let's discuss about the law of conservation charge first. So the first point here, if there is many of the currents are flowing in the different part. So this is a junction node here that we can say in Hindi sandhi. So meeting of the same point, incoming and outgoing current, the summation of all the algebraic sum will be a zero. So we can say that if incoming current I1, I2, I5 and outgoing currents are I6, I4 and I2, the summation of all currents should be zero. We can say that the I1, I3, I5 is equal to I2, I4 and I6. So this is the first law, that is the law of conservation of charge. This is depend upon. So if we have a closed circuit and we are different currents are being meeting in one point, so the algebraic sum of all incoming and outgoing current should be zero. Now let's discuss about the second law, that is the KVL, that is the Kirchhoff voltage law. So this law is depend upon the, we can say this is the pass law, voltage law, and we are discussing about first pass. What is pass? So pass is nothing but is simple a closed circuit when we are moving the current from resistance and EMF as well. So a closed circuit must be a pass. So in single pass, the summation of voltage should be zero. Okay, suppose we have a circuit this, the current flowing is I1 here, this is the electrode, even the voltage R1, R2, R3 are the resistance, and this is a closed path support. Suppose we have a closed path A, B, C, D, C, A, this is a closed signal pass. So first we are discussing about the signs are there. So if this is a say this plus minus sign and the current is flowing in this direction, the current voltage should be plus sign. If it's a opposite direction, it must be minus sign, and it's going in this way, so it will be plus IR, and if the current is opposite direction, that I minus IR. So in single path this, and if we are calculating about the complete circuit, so sigma IR should be the sigma E. Okay, so first pass, if we are discussing about the first pass and we are moving this circuit from A, B, C, A, so we are going from this, so single from plus minus, so according to this it should be E1, then we are passing from this E1 R1, so it must be minus because the symbol is opposite to this direction, so it should be this. When we are passing from C and A, it must be minus I1 plus I2 into R. Okay, again this is the second closed path is all there, second pass is there, I2, I3 and this one, so we are going to this way, I1 plus I2 into R plus I2, R3 minus E2. This is the closed circuit, and this is depend upon the law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy. We can say that this is depend upon the law of conservation of energy. Okay, so thank you so much to be about this. If you want to be explained in Hindi, so I can explain in Hindi as well. तो किर्चॉफ ने अपना दो नियम दिए थे. तो पहला नियम आपका लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ चार्ज, मतलब आवेश का संरक्षण का नियम. दूसरा नियम दिया था ना वोल्टेज का नियम. तो पहला नियम वोल्टेज का नियम, करंट का नियम, धारा नियम, वी कैन से. सो जितनी भी धारा आपकी एक पॉइंट पे आके मिलती है, उतनी धारा आपकी बाहर निकलती है, उन सबका बीजगणितीय योग हमेशा जीरो होता है. ये किर्चॉफ का पहला नियम था. दूसरा नियम उन्होंने पास के ऊपर डिपेंड किया था. दूसरा नियम मतलब एक क्लोज सर्किट है, तुम्हारे पास कोई बंद परिपथ है, उसमें आपका एक सिंगल पास बनता है. यदि कंप्लीट सर्किट की बात करते हो, पूर्ण परिपथ की बात करते हो, तो सिग्मा आई आर इज इक्वल टू सिग्मा ए विद्युत वाहक बल के बराबर होता है. यदि हम इसको कैलकुलेट करें और सिंबल्स की बात करें, तो सेल में हमेशा पॉजिटिव निगेटिव से जाएंगे तो डायरेक्शन हमेशा पॉजिटिव होगी. पॉजिटिव निगेटिव के अपोजिट जाएंगे तो माइनस होगी. और यदि आई आर के रिगार्डिंग में रेजिस्टेंस से कोई धारा जाएगी, धारा की डायरेक्शन में जाएगी तो आई आर होगी, धारा के अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जाएगा तो माइनस आर आएगी। तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस वी हैव कैलकुलेट दिस थिंग्स। तो हमने ये ऐसे भी कैलकुलेट किया। सो होप यू गाइस अंडरस्टैंड। थैंक यू सो मच।